The Insta360 X4 is a fun camera to use when you're out cycling. It's great, but these 7 shooting tips will make your cycling footage even more creative. We'll start with number 1. It's the most obvious, and that's to use the bicycle handlebar mount. And anything I talk about in this video will be linked in the description. Here we're just using the bike handlebar mount and reframing using the app. What's great about this setup is you can switch between selfie view of you or look forward to the track ahead. Make sure everything's tight with the lenses facing up and down. The next shot is the POV riding shot. While you could just put the X4 in your mouth, this mouth mount makes it so much more comfortable. With this, you can look left and right by moving your head, or just keep looking forward while you're riding and use reframing when you edit your video to look wherever you want. You could also use a neck mount if you want to be able to talk while riding. Number 3, I call the tripod drive-by. This is a simple setup. You put your X4 on a tripod and then just ride by it. You can then either track or keyframe a pan movement when you edit like this, or do a straight cut from you approaching the camera and then riding away like this. Shot 4 is a variation on the last one, and I call it the fake drone ride-by. Put your X4 on this 3-meter selfie stick and attach it to a tripod. I'm screwing it to this quick release plate that then goes onto the tripod. Make sure it's 100% safe and secure and it won't fall over. Then ride by and reframe the shot however you want. This gives you a drone-like perspective that can be really interesting, especially if you're not allowed to fly a drone or you just don't want to carry one around. Next up, we've got the third-person top-down shot. Either get the backpack mount or securely attach the 3-meter selfie stick to your backpack. I'm using this handy bit in my backpack, which is the perfect size for the stick, then just ride and reframe the shot. This is also great because it can also double as a fake drone shot. Just watch out for low things like bridges and trees. Shot number 6 I call the spoke cam. You're going to need a clamp to attach to your bike forks and then attach a shorter selfie stick to it. You might need one of these adapters. Then just ride and you can get this cool effect where you can see the wheels turn. Experiment with having the stick extended more, and you can even reframe in the edit to get cool looking shots like this. Just be careful not to ride by anything or anyone that could hit the stick or camera. The next shot is probably the weirdest. Before we get to that, I just wanted to ask you to please subscribe because I want to get this channel to 100,000 subs by the end of the year. Thanks. Shot number 7 I call the foot cam. You need to securely attach the X4 to the pedal of the bike. I'm using this clamp for this, and then as you pedal the X4 will be moving with your foot. You can reframe the shot to point to your foot as the pedal goes around, or add keyframes to get even more unique perspectives like this. This is a pretty risky shot. I just scuffed my X4 on the gravel as I was pedaling around. So only do this if you're willing to damage your X4, and I would definitely recommend using the lens guards if you're going to try this technique. And if you don't really feel like damaging your X4, then don't even try this. Everything I've mentioned will be linked in the description. Let me know in the comments which of these is your favorite shot, and please share this video because I want more people to see it. Thanks, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.